So these bags have been lying around in my office for quite a while, and to be quite honest, I haven't tested them properly. This is not because I was lazy or I didn't like the bag, but rather because I dress like this. In all honesty, I think that these items are way too fancy, too stylish, too fashionable for me, and furthermore, I'm not knowledgeable enough with these types of items. I think that these bags and items would look good if I had to wear a suit, which I do not own, or if I had to wear dress shirts for work, which I also never do. I usually dress casually like this, and I think I'm way too underdressed for all of these items. But jokes aside, I think that these are very cool and stylish products that are very well made and not necessarily are only for one type of person. But I have to admit that these items, just from a visual standpoint and from a practical standpoint, just do not fit my style. Furthermore, I have never used a briefcase in my whole life. Nevertheless, I think that these are very cool products that deserve to be showcased in this quick look rather than gathering dust in my office. Besides all of them being very stylish, all of them are made predominantly out of great leather and come in these fancy bags. Let's start with the smallest of the bunch. These are the WHisper Doppkits. This one is the tech Dopp kit, so for cables, chargers, etc. And this one is the regular one for toiletries. These two Dopp kits look awesome, have lots of organization and are incredibly well made. The only downside that I can see so far, all materials add a lot of bulk and weight to them. And this is actually something that all three items have in common. All of them use very high quality leather, but you just can feel that it adds some weight and bulk to them, at least compared to regular bags. This bulkiness of leather is something that the C34 Holdall by Friedrik tries to solve by using a combination of leather and nylon. I would consider this a weekender duffel, but you probably could also use this as a bigger briefcase for work. Just like the Opperman London duffel, Friedrik was called Opperman London a couple of years back, the bag is kept simple but timeless in terms of design and features. You basically only find a big main compartment with a big zipper and 3 slots inside and 2 quick access compartments on the outside. And that's basically it. So simplicity at its finest. Continuing, this is the buckle and seam Sierra Messenger briefcase. And again, I need to emphasize that I have no knowledge about these types of bags. I have never used a briefcase, and to be quite honest, I probably will never get into a scenario in which I am required to use one. However, this bag looks pretty cool and the leather feels and actually smells great. I can see that this leather will probably age quite beautifully over a couple of years of use, and it is definitely intended to be used this long. As a matter of fact, I believe or assume that all of these items are an investment for life, judging by the way they are all made. Of course, I cannot vouch for that, as I haven't tested them properly, but I can see that these are pretty high quality. So this was a very basic quick look at the WHisper Doppkit, the Carl Friedrik C34 Holdall, the buckle and seam Sierra Messenger briefcase. And I know you might have been expecting a proper in-depth review of one of these items, but as you can see, my style nowhere nearly matches the style of these items. And me using these items would probably look, or not probably, definitely look a little bit out of place. But from the way these bags look, how they are made, how well they will age over time, I like these bags quite a lot. And if I would wear a suit, or rather if I had a suit, then I would definitely use these bags. And although I haven't properly tested these bags, I really wanted to show you these types of bags and these types of Dopp kits. So if you're looking for a high quality leather bag or leather Dopp kit, then you should definitely take a look at the Friedrik C34 Holdall, the Buckle and Seam Sierra Messenger, and the WHisper Doppkit. But if you want to know more about these bags or the Dopp kit, then just please comment below and I will try to answer as good as I can. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss next videos. Thanks.